Hi and welcome. In the last video we looked at important book settings and preferences. Now if you missed that video, just go back and watch it and it'll bring you up to speed to exactly where we are at the moment. Okay, in this video we're going to look at the auto layout panel. So let's get on with it. My name's Ken Fisher and this is Live Link Training. Okay, now let's look at the auto layout panel. And here it is. We'll just open it up. And first we can select a preset from this pull down menu. And you can see here that we've only got 3, so we've got a limited amount to go at. But I'm going to select 1 photo per page. And now we can click on the auto layout button. And what this is going to do is build an auto layout for the book. It's put all my images in and it's filled the screen with them, with each one. And as I scroll through the project, you can see how that looks. If you want to see more of these layouts, then you can change the thumbnail size and make them bigger or make them smaller. Now if you ever want to zoom in on anything on here, then we've got these little 3 icons down in the bottom corner here. And we can click for multi-page, which is this one. We can click for a double page spread, or we can click for a single page spread. Now you can navigate in and out with a nice keyboard shortcut of Control and plus for navigating in and Control and minus for navigating out. So Control and minus takes me to all the spreads together. Control and plus takes me into a double spread. Control and plus takes me into a full scale spread. And then Control and minus, and I'm back to the spreads again. If you want to zoom in on a particular page or image, then you just click on it. And if you then get a yellow tag round it like this, and when you double click, you'll zoom straight into that image. Now you can also, we'll just click on the multi-page view and we'll go back to multi-page. And you can actually use the lights out feature to actually zoom in or home in on your images to have a good look at them. So I'll press the L key and that takes me to the first stage lights out. And L key again takes me to full lights out where I can actually see the images in all the glory. And then L brings me back to lights on again. Now we can use one of the other presets because we've got 3 here. We've got left blank, right one photo. And if I click on that, then I've got to clear the layout and then click auto layout. And that brings me in with a different type of look. We've got one blank at the left hand side and the images are on the right hand side. And I can try another one, clear layout, and then click the auto layout again. And there we have it. And this one has got some text on as well. So if we double click that, you can see that there's a text box at the bottom here. Well, that's it for how to use the auto layout panel. In the next video, we'll be looking at making a custom auto layout preset. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment underneath the video. And if you get a minute, please click that subscribe button and help me to grow my Photoshop learning community. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.